Hey guys, it's Blackstone Betty. One thing I love is a loaded omelet full of meats and cheeses topped off with some herbs. This is my quick go-to for a breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Let me show you how I make this. Are so fun, so easy. I love adding tons of stuff to them. Sometimes I load them up, sometimes they're a little bit smaller, but anyway, I make them, I enjoy them, they're fun, they're easy. I want to see how you're making them. Tag us, let us see what you're cooking up on your Blackstone, what you're filling your omelets with. I can't wait to see them. For more recipes, be sure to visit blackstoneproducts.com. I'm Blackstone Betty, and I will see you in the next video.
Go for
I
it.
love omelets.
Start again.
I love
Wait.
deli meats, good mozzarella. No, I didn't use mozzarella. I should have. Guys, I need hairspray. If I could put tequila in my omelet, I would. The thing I love is a good loaded omelet.
Why do you make them that way? Or where'd you learn to make them? Why do you like them? Why is it good all day long? Why?